Good afternoon, YouTube. I start with the this small video. Hopefully it shouldn't last very long. I might have to stop it and switch batteries because this particular one is gonna have its battery's gonna run down already. I've been using it most of the afternoon. I'm videotaping from a GoPro Hero 7. My wife, excuse me, I'm still a little bit sleepy. I'm kind of late for work already, and I'm driving to work. I wanted to talk to you. Actually, I wanted to talk to two subscribers that I know of. They come out on YouTube a lot, and they specialize in 360 video. One of them is Creator Up. He knows a lot about 360 videos and the techniques of it and the specifications and the settings, and he's real good. He's an honest guy. He won't never mislead you to anything. If he's advertising a product, he'll tell you if the camera's good or not. He's not one of these people like some other websites where they try to convince you to buy a camera only because he himself got sent a free camera with the conditions to try to sell a product. Creator Up is an honest guy. I've seen all of his videos. He gives the information the way it is. So this is why I'm asking him as an advice, and I'm asking him in way of a video. Not only him, but 360 Rumors also. He's another honest guy. He's been given cameras by promoters, by GoPro, by Candao, Insta360. They've given him cameras, but he's giving them the honest truth on it. He's not out there to try to sell you a camera. He's not out there to bullshit you. He will not mislead you like others have. Like some other 360 guy that I can't remember. There's another 360 guy out there with weird looking glasses. He's dishonest. Don't believe him. He'll bullshit you to get you to buy the product, and when you realize that it wasn't any good, that's when you're gonna turn around and hate him. But it'll be too late because he already made you waste hundreds of dollars on a consumer camera that probably wasn't even good or wasn't within your specifications. Don't believe that other guy. I would recommend you believe 360 Rumors and Creator Up. Those two are very honest people. If they try to convince you that they want to sell a particular type of camera, believe them. It's because they know that the camera's worth it. And of course, we're talking about consumer cameras, not professional cameras. Professional cameras would cost you, $4,000, $5,000, $6,000, $7,000. These are just these are just consumer cameras, like GoPro, Insta360, consumer in the consumer level. They're not extremely expensive cameras. I'm going to show you, and I've got questions about the GoPro Max. I got questions about it. But since I'm driving to work, I can't really show you the GoPro Max right now because I'm kind of sort of driving and I don't want to crash while I'm driving. I am holding the other camera with the other hand, but I'm looking pretty much forward. I'm paying attention more to the road than I am to the camera. And I don't want to make the video so long because it's probably just going to be a simple question. And I might get technical, But then again, I'm just a rookie. I'm just somebody who wants to get ahead in life and know that I got the best camera possible out there in the market for consumer level, of course. And that's it. I just want to try to be best, a better photographer, better. I'm more of the aquatic type of person. I work at a ranch, but I'm always around dust. So the first chance that I get, I want to go to the swimming pool. I want to get wet. I love being in the water environment. It's basically what I'm trying to say. For now, I'm gonna go and stop because I gotta pick up some ice for the little water that I got left. So I'll be right back. How could it be? And I'm thinking somebody's gonna answer me. Somebody's gonna put in the comment below that it's probably a software. Why would it be a software? Why didn't GoPro just leave it the way it is? That if you wanted to have a hero mode, then you would have a 5.6K lens here and a 5.6K lens here, which pretty much, if you join both together, it's still 5.6. Nothing has changed. Why would it change to 1080p or 1440? Why? Why is it necessary for it to be that when this actual camera by itself is a 5.6K? Why can't it transmit or videotape 5.6K on Hero or on blog mode, whatever you want to call it? That is my question for this. I didn't want to make this video longer than what it is, but that is the question that I had for this GoPro Max. I would have asked you, why is it blurry underwater? I don't even need to ask you that anymore. I pretty much got the answer. Because in reality, these GoPro Maxes are not really meant to be underwater. They are waterproof, but they're not meant to be underwater. And I sure as hell am not going to buy a $225 dome from 360 Bubble, because I'm not that hardcore into the ocean stuff. I mean, I do swim a lot, and I would love to put this thing underwater, but I'm not a hardcore diver. I'm not Jacques Cousteau, so that I could be buying such an expensive item just to put this under the sea. I mean, for that case, I'll just get the Hero 7, or get me a $35 camera from Amazon and go underwater and take pictures and video with it, and it would look just as clear as the pictures that are coming out of 360 Bubble. No, anyway, that's my question. Hopefully you probably be able to give me a technical answer. Now, I'm not a professional blogger, so you're gonna have to put a kindergarten version of why is it that the GoPro Max is throwing out 5.6K, but yet if you're only going to use one of the cameras for blogging, why is it that on Hero mode it'll only give you 1080p? If it's a software deal, then we just get a hacker and hack into the whatever settings there are and make it into a Hero 5.6 camera instead of a 1080 or a 1440 if it's a software issue. Anyways, that was my question. Hopefully I can get an answer soon, and y'all have a nice day.